Today we're going to do the second part. We're going to use AutoCAD to solve a vector math problem. I've loaded the engineering paper. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the file. I'm going to hit save as, and I'm going to save this file as homework number 2 so we don't destroy our engineering paper, the blank. I'm going to zoom in using the middle mouse button. I'm rocking it back and forth. I've now highlighted the area around the word name. So I'm going to highlight name, double click, and it brings up an editor. We'll put my name there. Click outside the window. I'm zooming out a little bit, zooming back around, coming back to date, zooming back in, double clicking on it. I'm going to put the day's date. Click outside, zoom out again, zoom over. And where it says assignment, I'm going to double click on assignment. And I'm going to put the word homework 2. At some point here I'm going to hit the word save again just to keep it completely saved. I'm going to hit zoom space E space, and that'll zoom everything out again. I'm ready to draw the first vector, so I'm going to draw a line. Under the draw command, a line. I'm going to pick a point out in space. It doesn't matter where I pick. And I know that it's 27 units long, but I'm going to do 2.7. I'm scaling it down so it'll fit on a piece of paper. And I'm using the greater than symbol for 30 degrees. So there was the first line. And it didn't take that. Let me do that again. At 2.7, greater than 30. Okay. I'm hitting the escape key. I'm going to draw a line again. I'm grabbing the end of where I just picked a second ago. And because it's a 3, 4, 5 triangle, I know it's minus 1.26, comma 1.68. Didn't use the angle. I actually had them both. I'm going to use the copy command, copy, C-O-P-Y, space. I'm going to grab that line I just created. Hit spacebar, and I'm going to grab the one end of here, and I'm going to grab the other end. That's tip to tail. Okay, I'm going to go back up under the draw command again and grab line. And I'm going to draw a line from here up to here. I now have drawn the resultant. I'm going to hit LIST space. I'm going to grab that line I just created. My mouse acting weird. Hit spacebar, and it tells me how long that thing is. If I bring the window up, the window says that it is 32 long and has a 70-degree angle. So now I'm ready to do annotation text, and I'm going to click somewhere around that line because I want the text to be close to where that line was. Okay. R1 is equal to 32.2 at an angle of 70, and I'm going to use percentage D as a shortcut to get me the degree symbol. I'm going to go back up again, hit File, and hit Save. I can also go File. I can now hit the word Print, and I can either print that as a PDF file or as a printer to a printer and be ready to turn that in as my homework problem. If you have any questions, please send me an email, and hopefully good luck with AutoCAD.